cold weather? Who cares? Many homeowners in Boise want to know, do ductless mini split heat pumps work in cold climates? The answer is a definitive yes. That is, when you have a Mitsubishi Mini Split system from Peppy Heating and Cooling. Meet your new best friend, the Mitsubishi HyperHeat Ductless Mini Split. Now you can stay warm inside even when it's freezing outdoors. That's because the Mitsubishi HyperHeat Ductless system supplies major benefits to your home. Can it heat your home even in the coldest of winters? Check. The HyperHeat system is efficient even when temperatures drop below zero, all the way down to 13 degrees below. Is it ENERGY STAR rated? Check. Mitsubishi HyperHeat offers ultra-high efficiency ratings. Can it help save money on utility bills? Check. Many homeowners report saving 50% or more on their utility bills. Mitsubishi HyperHeat Ductless Mini Split systems provide many benefits, including zoned control. You can heat and cool one room, one area, or the whole house. Who will you turn to for ductless heating this winter? The team at Peppy Heating and Cooling, of course. They're Boise, Idaho's leading ductless contractor, a Mitsubishi Elite Diamond contractor, and recognized nationally as a Ductless All-Star. Get hoppin' good service. Call 208-906-6928 today.